Crealy is a family theme park with 3 roller coasters that is located in Devon in the United Kingdom. It is my home park and I have been there 7 times. My most recent visit was on the 6th of July, and today I will be telling you all about my experience on that day. Let's launch into this video. I arrived at the park at 9:45, ready for it to open at 10 o'clock. I had my temperature checked before heading to my first ride of the day, the Twister. This is an SPF Visa spinning coaster and is my second favourite ride at Crealy. I rode it twice as there was no queue. It's a really smooth ride and the spinning is fun. The next ride I went on was Vertigo. This is one of 3 slides. The other 2 are called Venom and Viper. The drop is fun and I enjoy it. After that, I went on Tidal Wave, my favourite ride at Crealy. This log flume has 2 great drops and I rode it 3 times. Then I had a ride on Maximus, which is a Vekoma Junior coaster. This is also one of my favourite rides at the park. The coaster has some good theming and a fun family layout. Then I went on Dino Jeeps, which is a small but fun ride. My next ride was the Flying Machine. These chairs are so much fun and have a good duration. After that, I went to eat lunch and I saw the goats. Then I went back for 3 rides on the Twister, always a fun coaster. I had 2 more rides on Maximus, in the back row again. Next was Tidal Wave again. I stayed on for 5 rides in a row on this great log flume. I also had a ride on the carousel, then 2 more rides on Vortex. The final coaster I hadn't done was Shark Bay. It's a very small SPF Visa coaster located inside the building of Atlantis. I finished my day at Crealy with 2 final rides on the Twister. I left the park at 2:30. In total, I did 26 rides in 4.5 hours. I never had to wait in a queue for more than 5 minutes. Most of the time, the lines were walk-on. Masks are required on 7 of the rides at Crealy. They're optional when walking around the park. There were lots of social distancing markers in the queues for the rides. Everyone that I saw followed the rules and that was good to see. On rides such as Maximus, they filled up every other row. There were also many hand sanitizer stations throughout the park. Their slogan was "Be wise and sanitize." Overall, I had a great day at the park. I felt very safe and it was great that most of the rides were walk-on. Thanks for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that brake run.